Alex, and we have 5 other gardeners, full-time gardeners, including myself and Alex. Pretty small team, considering we have 47 acres to maintain in the gardens you see right now. This summer we've all experienced a drought. Some places got it worse. We get less rainfall here in Enniskerry than the surrounding Wicklow area, and with that 6 to 8 week drought period, our lawns took a huge hit. Mainly to do with this lawn is 150 years old. No new reseeding has been done in 150 years, and as time and maintenance and work and traffic, all these people traveling over the lawns, thatch builds up, and our lawns were actually 60% moss. So you can imagine 6 weeks of good drought, no rain. What color does moss go?
Black.
And that grass that was grown in the moss, it didn't have proper contact with any moisture in the soil. So we had to undertake a big project, an expensive project. But what we came up with the nicest way. We wanted to respect what the grounds were and the lawns that were 150 years old. So we wanted to make them more healthy and more vigorous and stronger to deal with. Let's say next summer, none of us know, we could get a drought again. Weather, climate, it's all changing. So what we actually did, we went ahead and we scarified our lawns. We started, I think it was the 3rd or 4th of September, and we scarified 3 hectares of lawns. So that's a lot of material when you have 60% moss in your lawn and all this dead grass you're ripping up. To collect that and the scarifying took 2 weeks for doing 3 hectares. And then what we went ahead was we rented out a precision seeder. We used over, I think it was 20 bags of 20 kilo grass seed. We had a 40% rate of creeping red fescue, and then we had 2 different types of perennial ryegrass in that mix. It was very high premium grass seed, very expensive. It's not bagged that you get in Woodies. It's specially made. It was that was the percentage we wanted. They were the grass seeds we wanted for this lawn, because it had to be drought tolerant, it had to be traffic able for people walking back and forth. And we cut the lawns nearly once a week, so it has to be able to deal with this short cutting. And we've no irrigation, so it has to be drought tolerant. So we rented a machine. It was a single disc precision seeder, and what we did was we kind of put a pattern. It's called a diamond pattern. So what you do, the seeder was a 3-point linkage. It goes on the back of a compact tractor, and you make your runs. First of all, you cover the whole area. You make one run same direction, and then you take a 45-degree angle, and that will create your diamond pattern for the grass seed. That will give you the best coverage of new grass seed in that area. That's what we did. It took 3.5 days. So I lost my whole weekend doing this because we only had the machine for short of 2 days. So I took my whole weekend was sitting here back and forth. So I looked like a little bit of a crazed man by the Monday. I think I was a little delirious.
Yeah. You had an hour off.
Yeah. But thank God, everything kind of worked out. We were waiting for rain. We knew it was going to be coming. We were under pressure to get that grass seed in the ground on time. So the Monday morning I finished grass seeding. Monday lunchtime it rained. So very happy. And since then we've got a good amount of rain. Not a whole pile, but you can just about make out the stripes. There's some areas like what you see brown right now. That areas are still high thatch. We couldn't rip it out. It was so dense. These areas were really dense with thatch, and you're talking about that much of built up over the years. So 150 years, that much of a built up, and it used to be worse from what I just learned from talking to other gardeners and everything. It used to be a lot spongier. So these areas, it should be perfectly grass done. All the new grass seed has come up. It's got 2 cuts. So we're encouraging more root growth rather than foliage growth. We're coming into the winter, so we want that healthy grass seedling to have a very good root system. But these patches where you can still see it brown, what's happening is that is thatch. The grass seed is down there, but the moisture is not traveling down. The moisture is not able to penetrate to that grass seed. It is coming slowly and surely. It will be there. I know it's there. I'm still convincing him it's there.
But yet to see the results. Keep at him every week.
This is really my job on the line, these lawns here. I only started 7 months ago with Alex and the team here, but it's been a pleasure anyway. Yeah, this is all right. You guys are easy. But yeah, so you can see it takes a lot for lawns like these. it's what people expect when they come to power